Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal or goals for the steps, calories and other things. Before we start, if you want to change the steps or other goal for the steps and calories and other activities, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you should see the health page. Now tap on the Me icon to open the basically profile page, and here tap on the settings in the top right corner and then tap on goal. And here we can adjust the goals for the steps, calories and weight. To adjust the steps, simply swipe on the slider, the calories also swipe right here, and the weight right here. And once you're done, you can tap on save. As you can see, it was successful. We can go back to the health page, and you should see the goal updated right here also. We can close the app, and if we want to check on the watch, wake up the screen, then press the upper button, scroll through the menu, find the activity records, and in the activity records we can scroll down and see, as you can see, the goals also updated right here. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal or goal for the steps, calories and other things. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.